all you need to do, you can close it up. We're going to open up OBS. So type OBS. I have also the other version installed that doesn't. So you need to open Broadcaster Software 46-bit. This is the version I'm using. Click on that. It will open up. It looks like this. So here we're going to create a new scene. Let's call it installed. You should right-click, add, and right at the bottom it says video. Click OK, and you need to type in UDP : /@ otherwise it's not going to be saved. Now here we need to enter the settings from the camera. So my camera is set to 1080 by 720. Make sure that stretch image is selected and then click OK. Now sometimes it might happen that the stream is, if we click on preview, now this is perfect. It fits right to the screen. Sometimes it has some black bars or things or it's too small. Just make sure in the settings that go to video, base resolution, custom, that this is set to 1080 to 720. Then click apply and OK. And if it's still off, usually all you need to do is just go here, position and size, and fit to screen.
What a pain in the butt.
And now it fits perfectly. So before we can start streaming, we need to make the link to YouTube. So go to settings, broadcast settings, mode, live stream, streaming service, YouTube. Then last time the primary YouTube server didn't work for some reason, so I just chose the backup YouTube ingest server, and this works fine for me. And here we need the play path stream key, and this is this stream name from YouTube. We get this one here, and we click apply, and that's it. Now we're ready to stream. And live control room. Usually it takes a minute until the server is receiving the data. So right now we're not receiving data. Then you can click preview. Pairing your live stream preview. Please wait a moment. So click on start streaming. Click OK. And down here, you can see a preview. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Hello, good morning guys. Today I wanted to talk about streaming and especially streaming from the TXW FS5 from Sony via FFmpeg wireless to YouTube or other RTMP based ingest services. And why do I want to do this now? The Sony FS5 has a very cool feature, and it's capable of doing 720p wireless streaming. It also has an Ethernet jack, so you can also do it wired.
Yeah.
What does it do? It makes a low quality stream, and it's capable of doing UDP streaming to another IP in your network via the Wi-Fi connection on the camera. If the Wi-Fi connection is good on the place where you are going to use it, then you are able to stream the Wi-Fi system to another computer in the network. On that computer, we're going to run FFmpeg on the command line, and we are going to script FFmpeg in not transcoding it, but use the compressed video directly from the camera and copy it to ingest in YouTube, so that YouTube is capable of using that feed directly from the camera to distribute it and stream live on YouTube and all the benefits that it has. So computer that's actually doing the copying from the camera to YouTube itself doesn't have any big load on the CPU because it's not transcoding. It's actually only copying from port 1234 to an external URL, which is the YouTube URL. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I have written a document including all the script sources. You can download it from github.com/voidStation/streaming-CLI. I'll link it below and write it down here over the video line. How to set up your camera. I will show you how to do it, and I'll link to another video as well that shows you how to do it. But for now, I will try to show you how to do it. So now we're looking at the Sony PXW FS5, and I'll show you the Wi-Fi setup. We're going to look at the menu, and then we're going to this icon here, and that's the wireless setup. And if you're going to use Wi-Fi, then you have to set up the connection. You can do that here, access point, and then click access point, and the steps in access point will show you how it works. It's very straightforward. You have to select your access point, obviously, and put in a password and connect. It's not connected by then, but it will try to connect, and it sees if it fails or not. So that's the first step you have to do. Then you go back, and you have to go to streaming. So that's up here. Click it. It has several presets which you can select. This is the one obviously which you're using. I have set a preset 1. I'll show you how to do it. When you haven't got any presets set up, then it's obviously not going to stream. So it's important to create one. Now go to preset 1. Select the size which you want to use. Here you'll see that I have two options. 360p or 720p. Now obviously, and I'm going to take 720p. You can't go any higher, and you can only use this feature when you're using Full HD on the camera recording and not 4K, because then you're not able to stream, because then the processor probably is not gonna be able to do it. Now destination set. Destination host name is the IP address from the computer on which you're gonna run the command line interface. Go to your computer and pair on an OS X, type ifconfig, and on Windows it's ipconfig. And then it shows you the IP of the computer. Fill in that IP here. make sure you have the handle connected, because when you have the handle connected, the joystick control helps a lot while inputting the numbers, because otherwise the desktop keyboard is a pain. So make sure that you connect that. Port just use 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fine. If you have multiple cameras connected to the same computer, then you obviously have to figure out a free port, but that's doable. Now then we have made a preset. Back. Now select preset, select which one are we going to use. Now we obviously going to use preset 1 because we just created that. Then we do return, and then we press streaming, and then we press execute. Now you can select wired LAN or Wi-Fi. I'm going to use a Wi-Fi. Then it starts preparing. Now, as you see, it's connecting to my access point. I'll take off the cap. Here in the bottom you see thumbnail starts the stream and menu ends it. And if you press thumbnail after it's started, then it will also stop the stream. Okay, now we're gonna continue on the computer. And make sure you have downloaded stream to youtube.sh and read the readme file. Make sure you did sudo shmod. I have to do +X to make sure that the file is executable. Make sure you have ffmpeg, because otherwise it won't work. Make sure you have all those requisites